Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change ringtone on Truecaller app. So first thing you have to do is open up your Truecaller app right here. Click on that. Once it's open, you're going to see a profile right here, search bar, and also a three dots right here. Click on the three dots and you're going to see others and you're going to see settings. Click on settings and you're going to click on general right here. Click on general and you're going to see ringtone as the first one. Click on ringtone, right? So you first of all have to, before you could be able to click on the ringtone, you have to tap to give Truecaller permission to change ringtone. So you're going to click on that and you're going to allow permission. So once you're done allowing the permission, you'll be able to tap on the ringtone. So you also have to allow Truecaller to access your music and audio on your device. Click on allow and you're just going to hit on it, and once you click on that, you're going to see all the ringtones, so you can just easily change and also increase the volume of your ringtone. So this is literally how to change your ringtone on Truecaller app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.